Are you looking for a way to enhance your spiritual strength and find peace in times of difficulty? Discover a powerful prayer that has helped countless individuals navigate challenges with faith and confidence. In the journey of life, we all face challenges, some more daunting than others. Whether you're dealing with personal struggles, emotional setbacks, or difficult circumstances, it's natural to seek guidance and strength. One prayer that has been a source of comfort and resilience for many is the one mentioned in Surah Al-Muzzammil 74:4, a powerful verse that brings peace and clarity. This verse not only provides a spiritual connection, but also gives a sense of direction and tranquility, helping you overcome even the most challenging situations. This prayer focuses on the importance of patience and perseverance. When recited with faith and devotion, it can bring relief to your heart and mind. It is said that reciting it daily helps in clearing mental blocks, enhances focus, and attracts blessings from Allah. Recite this prayer regularly, particularly during difficult moments. Remember, consistency in recitation is key. Trust in the divine wisdom and seek solace in the rhythm of your faith. Let the light of this prayer guide you through hardships and bring you closer to peace, hope, and a renewed sense of purpose.